हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका दोस्त कौस्तव एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड our today's video on how to do pencil shading. To learn pencil shading, you have to take care of three things. 1. Pressure control. 2. Different types of pencil shading technique. And 3. The behavior of light. So in today's video, we will take care of the pressure control. If you are new in my channel, so please kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the new video updates in your account, in your YouTube channel, and that will really helpful for me to grow my channel also. So let's start. For pressure control, our first exercise is take your pencil. You can take 2B and first you make deep to light. Okay, so here I have give more pressure to make it dark, and when it's light I reduce my pressure with my pencil. So you can practice this exercise in the beginning for pressure control, like this: deep to light, again light to deep. Okay, this will also improve your knowledge about values, because only with the deep to light way we can show the values. Say it's an object and light is coming from in this side, so this portion will be more brighter, and on the opposite side this portion will be darker. To show that, we have to do deep to light shading, then only we can get that effect. Okay, so this is called the pressure control. So the more you do practice this and this, you can control your pencil properly. There is another way of pressure control, that is doing this practice. Say here the line is more thicker, and when it's going up it is more thinner. So you can practice like up to down, thick and thin line, and down to up, thick to thin line. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. It is called shading techniques.